What is good, watch fam? This is Zach with a Blog to Watch. We're here at Watches and Wonders 2022 outside of the Vacheron Constantin salon, where inside we're expecting to see a brand new titanium overseas tourbillon, which looks absolutely insane. But what everybody at the show is talking about this year is the 45th anniversary of the 222, rendered in solid gold. It looks absolutely amazing, and we can't wait to go take some photos of it. Let's go take a look. All right, folks, so here we are deep inside the Vacheron Constantin booth, and we are checking out what is probably one of the most talked about watches of the show. It is the new Historiques Collection 222. Now, if you follow the Vacheron Constantin history, you'll know that this is a tribute to the reference that was introduced in 1977, which was to commemorate the brand's 222nd anniversary, again, in 1977. So flash forward 45 years, we have what is essentially a modern re-edition of that same piece. It follows the same case footprint. It's beautifully thin, has a really sumptuous bracelet that is fully integrated. You'll also remember in the 1977 edition was designed by legendary watch designer George Heisek. So this follows that same really beautiful kind of late 70s design language and architecture. There have been some modernizations that have been added to this reference. Specifically, the bracelet's been lightly re-engineered so that it doesn't kind of snag hairs on the wrist at all. The case back, of course, is now exhibition so that you can see the Geneva sealed movement. Also has the original 222 word mark, and that was also part of the anniversary celebration. But otherwise, I mean, this is a really, really, really impressive piece. And one of my favorite things about this that's potentially the most impressive is that this is not a limited edition, which is what you traditionally see kind of these types of anniversary type pieces. So this is joining the Historiques collection as a full-on edition, which the brand tends to introduce new Historique collection pieces every 2 to 3 years, re-editions, with the last being the Drive, of course. So again, not limited. Price is $62,000 US, full yellow gold, beautiful 1970s sports watch nirvana right here. Now, as we go from the 70s sports watch inspiration of the 222 to the full modern version, one could argue that the modern Vacheron Constantin overseas came from the 222 essentially. So we go vintage, we go modern. This is another showstopper from Vacheron this year. It's the brand's first full titanium overseas, full titanium watch is my understanding. Now, let's not forget the overseas dual time Everest edition is not a full titanium watch. It has stainless steel elements in it. This is a full titanium case, full titanium bracelet, nacre covered bridges, so you get this cool dark skeletonized contrast in the dial, and it is of course a tourbillon. It's ultra light, it looks absolutely badass on the wrist. I believe the price for this is $142,000, but you can always double check that price on blogtowatch.com. Thanks again for joining us here at Vacheron Constantin. Of course, you can follow along with all the rest of our coverage here from the show at blogtowatch.com.